Hi everyone. So today we are looking at how to solve a system of equations by substitution. So remember that a solution is when you have two lines and you're trying to find where they intersect at, and it is an ordered pair x, y. So we need to find out what is the x and what is the y in these two equations. Okay, there's only one point where these lines will meet at, and we're trying to find out where that point is located. So for substitution method, it is important that a variable is isolated. So in this case, y is already by itself, it is already isolated, and y is equal to x minus 5. What that really means for us is that anywhere there's a y, I can replace it with x minus 5. Well, looky here, here's a y right here. So I'm going to replace that y in the second equation with x minus 5. So I'm going to write that second equation, 3x minus 2y equals 7. Notice I left a space for y because we're replacing that y with x minus 5. Remember the reason why we're doing this, guys. Y equals x minus 5. If two things are equivalent to each other, that means we can replace one with the other. So anywhere there's a y, I can substitute x minus 5. And that's what we did. Notice it's much easier to solve now because there's only x's. There's no y's anymore. So let's go ahead and start by distributing. The 3x will remain the same. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Next, we combine our like terms. 3x minus 2x is 1x. And lastly, to get rid of the plus 10 to get x alone, we are minusing 10. So x equals, and 7 minus 10 is negative 3. So that's wonderful. We have half of our answer already. I'm going to put our answer up here at the top. X comma y. We just found x, so it's going to go first. We found part of our answer. X is negative 3. But remember, every point has an x and a y. So now we need to find the y. The easiest way to do that is to use that first equation, because if we want to find y, guess what? Y is already alone in that first equation. I'm going to write it down here. And the best part is that we already know x. We know x is negative 3. So replace this x here with negative 3. And now we just solve. Negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. So now we have the x value is negative 3 and the y value is negative 8. So I'm going to finish my answer up here at the top. The ordered pair where those two lines meet at is negative 3, negative 8. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and ask your teacher, or rewind the video and try and watch it again.